here we go. We're on to everybody's favorite, at least here at the Very Cool Gang. We got the Milwaukee exclusives. The 14-inch top handle chainsaw. I do, for tree work, I love this style of chainsaw, especially if you're gonna be up in a tree. It is the Arborist Jureen at $349. They have the 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer. They have that compact bandsaw at $329. They have their 6.5 at $229. This is their new circular saw. So I guess they have announced a new, I didn't realize that that's 6.5 though. Oh, you know what? We did test that new 6.5. What you could do is, we were at World of Concrete, go right here. We tested that new 6.5. Go and check out that video to see what we saw when we were testing out that new 6.5 fuel circular saw. They have that 6-gallon vacuum, wet dry vac from Milwaukee Tools. So many people asked, it's pretty funny. So many people asked for a shop vac, like a wet dry style shop vac from Milwaukee. They delivered in 3 different flavors. The best pricing though is still on that 6-gallon. That's the most reasonably priced of the 3. Now, you buy any one of those, okay? Or I guess if you buy the Gen 4 hammer drill and impact driver kit at $399, 2 5-amp-hour batteries, charger in a hard case. So any one of these purchases is going to net you a XC 6.0 battery. I gotta be honest with you. I'm glad to see that they're giving you that XC 6.0. Oh, is that an 8.0? Oh, it's an 8.0 you're getting for free. I'm liking that. You wanna know why? Because if you're going to be buying those fuel tools, you're going to want to make the most of the fuel technology in the battery packs you're going to want to make the most of the fuel technology in the tools, and the best way to do that is to use an upgraded high output battery pack, whether it be the high output packs or even a forged battery pack. Now, let's go a row down here. You can see we have some. Are we going to call them older tools? No, not everything here is that old. Actually, it's nuts. This is nuts. So you can see here, we do have some older tools like the Surge, the fuel recip saw. It's got a few years on it. It's not that old. The fuel hacksaw is definitely, I'm surprised they haven't upgraded that to offer something like crazy, like orbital action and a one-handed recip saw. They have the 2.5-gallon wet dry vac, 4.5-inch fuel grinder paddle switch, oscillating multi-tool, $229. Love this one. The barrel grip jigsaw. They have this is new. This is the M18 Packout 6-bay rapid charger at $249. That's a newer tool, as well as the high torque impact wrench. This is their newest high torque impact at $299. Or the red lithium 12. This is the high output, not the forge, at $199. So this has come down $50 in price in retail, all right? Or they have the compact brushless 2-tool combo kit at $239. Any one of these purchases will score you an XC 5.0. I gotta be honest with you. I'm shocked because there's a lot of great fuel tools here. I guess their price point's just not high enough. I'm shocked to just see the XC 5.0. You know, the XC 5.0 is just going to continue to live on. It just is what it is. We're seeing these Shockwave kits here. This is the 45-piece, okay? And you can see it's product number 48324023. And I will tell you this much, at $19.97, this is a pretty nice kit because of the amount of accessories in it. You can see here, you have 2 nut drivers in there. You have a 6-inch magnetic extension. You have the 1/4x1/4 magnetic extension. You have a 1/4x3/8 adapter. You got a couple of 2-sided, let me see here. You got a couple of 2-sided bits there. You have 2-inch bits there and a whole bunch of 1-inch bits. Now, the reason I like this kit so much is because there's a nice assortment of bits. This is something that's really suited for, if you were buying one kit, this is something a homeowner, DIYer, or remodeler definitely wants to consider because of the assortment of bits. Getting into older remodels or older homes, businesses, you never know what kind of screws and fasteners you're going to encounter So you're gonna wanna have a nice assortment, and that's what this kit gives you. And here's the thing, it's already marked down, like $6 to $19.97. You'll see the regular price is $27. They have some safety glasses here, 3-pack of, this is the anti-scratch lenses, the 3-pack at $21.97. They have some high-vis safety vests here, there's class 2. Now, here's the deal. I think that it's great to have plenty of safety glasses on hand, especially if you're doing a lot of demolition and remodel. And there's a whole bunch of reasons that I highlight in this video here. Now, in that video, you'll see the newest Milwaukee safety glasses in that video, okay? And there's a reason why I believe they're probably the last safety glasses you'll ever have to buy. You should go and watch that video. $24.97, they have their wrecking working gloves. To be honest with you, I like the padded areas. You know, I guess if you're going to be punching through walls, maybe. I do like, what I really like is that it has a smart swipe. This way, you don't have to take your gloves off to use your smart devices. Yo, free M12 tool right now. Okay, when you buy one of these kits, any one of these kits here, okay, you're going to get to choose one of these bare tools for free. I gotta be honest with you. Nah, I would go Gen 3 combo kit, hammer drill impact driver at $229 first. I'd go Surge second. I would go Hatch third. I'd go 5/8 rotary hammer fourth out of which ones to buy, because literally, you know, if I need I need a larger size hammer drill, larger capacity or rotary hammer. That doesn't make sense for me at all in any capacity. The pruner is not a bad tool. If I had to go a bare tool, I'm taking the Rover Light. I'm taking the Rover Light first. I might take this, you know what, I'm lying. I'm taking soldering iron first because I need one. Then I'm taking the Rover Light second. I'm taking 3/8 ratchet third. And that M12 multi-tool, I have it. I've had multiple over the years. It's just a dinosaur at this point. So, I mean, like, I gotta be honest with you. I don't know why Milwaukee Tool doesn't just like make them $50 and blow them out. It's enough's enough on those, in my opinion. But that's my opinion. You know what they say about opinions. The portable power source is blowing. They've announced a new portable power source, so they're blowing this one out at $34. It would be great if it came with a battery, but it does not. Let's take a look at here you go. They have the older 5 3/8 circular saw. They have that marked down from $159 to $112. They have 6 amp hour red lithium forge. Those are 20 volt max. I don't know if they're making way for new 8 amp hours or not. I will say that the depot has a whole bunch of forged batteries online, ready to ship, none in store, at least not in our locations. I was hoping to see maybe the upgraded drawer. Oh, you know what? There's a whole section of modular storage from all the systems. Maybe they have it over there. You can see the rolling toolbox from Milwaukee's at $139. It is the older style. Still, it's the Gen 1. It's not the they don't have the Gen 2 here. You can see here, $69.97 on the small toolbox, $159 on the 3-drawer toolbox. Now, here's the deal. They have the extra large toolbox at $99. They have the $39.97 on the organizer, which is $10 off. All right, they have a nice little center cap display, $24.97. And you have your choice here. They have that 25-foot wide blade magnetic. This is one of my favorite Milwaukee tape measures. It's got 17 foot of reach. They also have, people love these. Matter of fact, I feel like you saw a short earlier in the week with Norman in there. He talked about these combination pliers, which is like a needle nose wire cutter, wire stripper. Yo, it even has a crimper at the backside. Look at it. So it has a crimper in there, $24.97. I don't mind it. If you're framing and you're a dedicated framer, you'll use a hickory handled hammer because of the anti-shock properties of that hickory handle. But if some of you contractors stray away from the hickory handle, because if you're doing demolition with this hammer, the neck of this hammer could take a lot of damage very quickly. You should all be on the lookout for this one. $10. So the hickory handled hammer with the mill face, I saw on clearance other locations in the hammer section, not out on the center of the floor here at the front of the store, in the hammer section, clearancing out around $10. Let me know down in the comment section below, if you're going to the depot, are you seeing that hammer at the same price that I'm seeing the hammer at? Because it's a great deal. For 10, you can't beat that hammer at $10. Can you believe it's that time of year already? It looks like they have a whole bunch of the 12-foot skeletons already. And it looks like Frankenstein's having a good time this evening. I'm literally pretty impressed on the amount of Halloween decor that's here at the store.